So one of the things we're really proud of at Hawthorn is when we do those initial interactions with a potential client, is that we want to make it fun, very low stress, but probably most importantly is be extremely respectful of your time. My wife and I have 3 kids. We understand that life is probably busier than ever between work and responsibilities at home, kids' activities. We recognize that at Hawthorn. And so even though we're extremely committed to working with you, we want to earn your business. The last thing you will ever see from myself or anyone at Hawthorn is us in your home taking up 3 hours of your time to do a long presentation. We will never demand that both homeowners are there. Let's be honest, the only reason they would ever do that is because they're trying to sell you right then and there. So that's of no interest to us. Our interest is making sure that you have full understanding of the process and the scope of work and the design details and also the cost. Typically, the way it works with us is we'll meet you for an initial consultation. That can be one homeowner, both homeowners, doesn't matter. We'll do a walk around the house just to answer some questions. We want to understand the scope of work and specifically what you're looking to do. Then we will take our detailed measurements of the home. And then usually within 7 days, we will email you a highly detailed proposal that breaks down core item line by line, showing you exactly what you're paying for, what products you're getting, the warranties that come with it, so that you have a full understanding. And then what we always recommend after that, hey, take your time, review it, write down all your questions. Then let's get back together again in person at your home or in my office to do a deep dive proposal review specifically around your project and your home. A lot of times we like recommending meeting back at your home again because we can walk right outside and go around the house and answer any questions. And so we always want to earn our clients' business, but it's probably the most important to us that they have a full, clear understanding of exactly what we're doing, why Hawthorn, we think we're pretty good. But also if it's not a good fit, we understand that as well. But it's our job to make sure we give a full education and deliver a proposal that meets exactly what specifications you're looking to have done, so that it's a really good, fun, enjoyable process, kind of from start to finish. And so we try to make sure that's the way we operate with every single client. And so far it's worked out really well. I think that's what differentiates us from others is that we look at each client very uniquely. Their needs are all unique. And the way we approach each proposal is very customized and specific.